So Pastrami was grounded the whole morning because when I put the breakfast on the table, he tried to eat my avocado. And he's just doing that because God gives him all the food he wants. So now he's being very, very bad. And when I fight with him, he bit my finger. So he was grounded for a few hours, and now he just asked to come back to our bed. We said yes, and he's like, he knows he's guilty. He's 100% sure that he's guilty.
He needs to clean up his manners. Crazy. In a matter of like a few meters, we did a lot of trash. I got 2 bags worth of it. There's stuff, and there's some stuff that are bigger than 2 bags. But anyways, if everyone does a little bit, I think there wouldn't be this problem. It's easier to do that before you know, trash comes here. But even then, if it comes here, we can do something about it. So it's a good way to end this year, especially this year that's been so tough for everyone, to just, you know, get rid of everything that's not worthy of all the trash that you have in your life, all the bad energies, and leave that behind on 2020. So we have like a clear path to 2021, so we can focus on everything that we really want and that's really good for us individually and as a society. Speaking of which, I think I need to cut my hair. Not cut it because I like it big the way it is, but it's been a mess. So I was wondering, first, do you guys believe I should do that? Do you think it's a good idea? And second, because I'm not like, well, it's COVID and stuff, I'm not feeling so good about like cutting at some place. So I'm thinking about doing it myself. This year has been a DIY year for me and for Luke. So I was thinking, should I cut myself? Hold on. I was editing this and that came out wrong. It's not should I cut myself. Should I cut it myself? No. Let's get back to the episode. And do you guys want to watch that? And do you have any tips about it? Please write down here. And I don't know, let's make a live out of it so you can see if this will become a nightmare or if it's going to be something that's actually cool. Whatever the case will be, I will definitely need the help of VanLifeFever afterwards, because if it's okay, then fine, my hair will look nice. But if it's a mess, only VanLifeFever will save my hair, making it look better with that amazing combination, natural combination that they have, and make the hair be good. So that's that. 2020, see you later.